on, guys? Julezisondaxbox here, back with another vlog, and today I am starting the vlog here in my wonderful basement. Isn't that nice? And I'm also starting this vlog at 8:30 p.m. Man, good time in there, Jules. I fucked up. And I'm back in the vlogging business, and it's been a long time since I picked up this camera and actually vlogged. Now, I actually don't have anything interesting today. I just have really nothing to do. But I want to do something that I haven't done in a very long time. And that is prop up a camera, buy that TV over there, and play some video games. We are going to be actually playing a game that is really old. It's 7 years old now. And I really like it, and the name of the game is called Need for Speed Hot Pursuit. Now, I have been playing this game for the past maybe 5-6 years now, and it's a nice game, and I love it. And I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. And if you guys like it, then I will do more videos like this, but this is a gaming video that I haven't done in a very, very long time. And if you guys are wondering, Julian, why are you wearing the same exact clothes as the last video? That's because I am doing this vlog, the same day of that video. So, yeah, and I don't think I've showered. No, I'm just kidding. I have showered. Let's get this video started. Alright, guys, so this is what the map looks like. I'm gonna pick what I want, like, for racing. So this is the cop side, and this is the racer side. I think I'm gonna be a racer. I think we're gonna do a hot pursuit. If you're wondering what a hot pursuit is basically a race but with cops in it. And a race is just a race with no cops involved. The name of this hot pursuit is Double Jeopardy. Let's do it. Alright, so these are the cars that I get to pick. A Bentley, a Lamborghini, another Bentley, Ford GT, McLaren, Camaro, another Lamborghini, Mercedes-Benz McLaren. Actually, a fun fact about this car, there's only about 200 of these cars worldwide. So Mercedes didn't make a lot of these cars. And then we have the Corvette ZR1, the most expensive Corvette ever made. This car is $115,000. So I think I'm gonna choose the McLaren MP4 12C. Oh, that sounds nice. I want this color to be white. Let's start this race, guys. Alright, here we go. Oh, sorry. Are you freaking kidding me? I crashed already. This sucks. Great start to the race, guys. Great start. That's legit. It's pissing me off. Cops are right there. Alright, got 2 Lamborghinis on us. Oh, I just hit one of them. I hit one of the cops, guys. Oh. Oh, thanks, cop. If that cop didn't hit that car, I would have crashed. I am not pulling over. Wrecked cop. Oh, roadblock. Alright, I didn't hit the roadblock. I took first. I'm in first place, guys. Alright, I hit that cop with the spike strip. Oh, that guy hit me.
Monitoring spike strip release in your area. Proceed with caution.
Drifting down. Ow. Backward. Takedown.
I'm putting together units to use your position. Maintain current route. Clear.
Oh, I dodged the roadblock by an inch. turbo this guy. Oh, I crashed again. Oh, another takedown from the same exact car. That should have been a wrecked cop. Oh, this ain't gonna end, pal. More cops are coming on the way. Oh, jeez, I thought that was the cop, but then I ran it over. I hit the roadblock, guys. Hit the roadblock. Oh, dang it. Oh, shit. Go, 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 go.
I got a bunch of vehicles driving recklessly. I'm gonna pull them over.
Oh, none of them hit my spike strips.
Spike strip missed the target.
I'm aware of that.
Spike strip on alert.
I heard that. I gotta bust these cops, guys. I gotta get... Alright, I jammed the spike strips. Have a good day, officer. Oh, jeez.
Unit down, reporting EMS. Wrecker is en route.
I'm in last place, by the way, guys. I have to get these cops out. Alright, that cop just moved me. Missed me. Ow. I'm taking a huge shortcut right now, guys. So... I am indeed fighting back. I hope you guys can hear what they're saying. Sorry, officer. Had to wreck you. Bye, officer. Uh-oh. Another takedown by the same exact car. I'm in third place, guys. Have to get into first. Yep, he's right there.
Air support is heading out. He should be there shortly. Okay.
Oh, officer. Gotta get out the way, buddy.
Jammer ready.
Thank you. Bye, officer. I'm in fourth place. Alright. I gotta go first. Alright, got my boost. Oh no, I hit the spike strip. Should have jammed it. There's no officers in here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. I got 2 miles left before this race is over.
EMP missed the target.
I'm aware. Uh-oh, my critical damage, guys. Critical damage. I got 4th place, guys. That was like a really bad race. It was really difficult. Okay, I know I messed up, but you know what? I'm gonna redo this off camera. Okay, guys. So some time has passed, and I'm currently editing the video. I'm sorry. Now I know I said a couple hours ago that I already finished the video, but I actually didn't. You guys have probably already seen it already. But I do want to let you know that this vlog isn't really going to end until around 3 o'clock in the morning for me, because what I've been doing lately is I've been watching other YouTubers spin a fidget spinner at 3 o'clock in the morning, and in the background you can see weird things happening. And I want to see if that stuff is real or if it's fake. And I have a fidget spinner upstairs, but I can't. I'm not gonna go upstairs and do it. I'm gonna be doing that in my room later. I'm currently in my basement still, so yeah, that's what I am gonna do later. It is currently it's currently 10:30, and I will start doing this like 3 a.m. challenge. This is my very first 3 a.m. challenge. Okay, now the reason why people like weird things happen at 3 o'clock in the morning is 3 a.m. is also known as the devil's hour, and during that time they say that the ghosts they say that demons and spirits come out in the night, and they come out in the night and go into a home and they do random shit in it. So I want to see if this is real or fake, and I will let you, yeah, so if this stuff is fake, then I'm just gonna stop the video and call it a day. So yeah, so I'm gonna go back to editing this, and I will see you when it is 3 o'clock in the morning. Alright guys, so it is currently 3 o'clock in the morning. It's, you guys can't really see this, but it says 3:01. Let's find out what happens if we spin a fidget spinner at 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything at all. Okay. I'm gonna do this for a little bit. Now I know this trend. Now I know this trend is kind of old, but I want to see if it's true or not. I don't hear anything around in my house. I don't hear anything at all. I don't think anything happens. If you hear weird noises in the background, that is actually not a spirit or anything. It's actually the thunder. So, guys, nothing's happening. Literally nothing's happening. Okay, I'm just spinning it. Nothing's happening. I don't think spinning a fidget spinner at 3 o'clock in the morning occurs weird things around in your house or apartment or wherever you live. Okay. So, the stuff that you've seen from other YouTubers is fake, okay? All the stuff that you've seen from other YouTubers is fake. So, I'm letting you guys know right now, alright? I know the title of the vlog says, do weird things happen when you spin a fidget spinner? And the answer is no, okay? Nothing weird happens when you spin a fidget spinner, okay? If I say, ghosts, come here, ghosts, come into this room, okay, nothing's gonna happen, okay? This stuff is fake, alright? I'll prove it to you guys again, alright? It is 3 o'clock in the morning, alright? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. It's hard to see this freaking Chromebook. It says 3:06. I know you guys can't really see that, but guys, this stuff is fake. This spinning up the fidget spinner at 3 o'clock in the morning is fake. I know this is an older trend, but this stuff is fake, okay? But anyways, guys, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. So Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.